Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2016 the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7414. This is a virtual video walkaround allowing you to see this F-150 up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This F-150 only has 22,000 miles. Take notice of the exterior condition, absolutely flawless. Super clean, low miles, tow package as you can see. Power rear slider, does have the bed liner. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without showing you the complete exterior and of course the interior. Traveling with friends or family, take notice of the ample legroom in the rear. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. And we're going to put you here in the driver's seat and allow you to see the easy access to all the controls within arm's length. Super low miles. For more information on oil changes for life, warranty protection for life, you just get more at Sunset Ford. Call us, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you. Better yet, hopefully, we get to earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.